Hey guys, Try Catch Angler here. In the last video we covered how to set up a React application that we're going to be connecting to SharePoint. In this video I'm going to be demonstrating how we load that same React application and have it run within SharePoint. First thing we do is come back to our application and we run npm run build. This is going to create a distribution folder. Right click on it, reveal it in Explorer so that you can drag it and drop the information from the distribution folder into SharePoint. Inside of SharePoint, we're going to be going into Site Contents, and inside of Style Library, we're going to add a new folder. I'm going to call it ENUS. Instead of our ENUS, we're going to create a new folder. Let's call the folder Tackle Box, and we're going to select Create. Inside of our Tackle Box folder, I'm going to drag and drop JavaScript files. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to go into Site Contents and Site Assets Library. Let's create a new folder here. The folder is going to be called Tackle Box again. And in this Tackle Box folder, we will be placing the index.html. Now the index.html in the distribution folder needs to be modified because bundle.js isn't within the same folder. We're actually putting it inside of site assets. So the first thing that we need to do is add ..dash. The ..dash is going to take us, if you put yourself in the place of the file where we're currently at, we're inside of the tackle box folder inside of site assets. So the first .. slash is going to take us outside of tackle box to site assets. And we need to go outside of site assets now. So we add another one, .. slash, to get out of site assets. Once we are outside of site assets, now we can say, okay, I need to go into Style Library. And inside of Style Library, I'm going to be looking at the ENUS folder. And inside of the ENUS folder, we have our tackle box folder. And this should be the correct path to get us to our bundle.js file. Additionally, we have to change the index.html to an ASPX file. So let's change the extension to ASPX. And with that, we're now ready to load this file into our SharePoint site. Inside of our SharePoint site, we are again inside of Site Assets, Tackle Box. We take our folder, distribution folder, and we take that newly created ASPX file and we drag and drop it into Tackle Box. As you can see, it's now available in Tackle Box. And if I click on it, I'm now able to see my application running inside of SharePoint. And you can clearly see that because on my URL, it is inside of SharePoint. Keep in mind, once the application is running inside of SharePoint, you will no longer need to make modifications to this index.aspx file. All of the changes, as you make any changes to your app, will now be deployed into the style library. So just make sure that you bookmark this location because this is the only location that you'll be loading files so that the application can be updated with any of the recent code that you have updated. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. If you have any issues, post it in the comments. And as always, if this helps you in any way, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.